Hello everyone. Today we're going to see about the snake cube. I'm going to give a step-by-step tutorial on how to finish it and see how fast I can finish it. So let's start with the step-by-step tutorial. This is a snake cube. If you stretch it out, it becomes like this. This is the full cube. So this part is hard, so I'm going to start with this, the easy part. So for completing it, first you have to turn it like this, a 180-degree turn from here to here. Then next turn this 90 degrees, then you get it like this. Then turn this block like this 90 degrees, then push this down. You get it, this is the shape formed. Now turn this block here, turn this block here and rotate this up, so 180 degrees turn, and now turn this 90 degrees and push this down and turn this another 90 degrees and turn this 180 degrees and just rotate the rotate the cube 90 degrees and turn this piece 180 degrees up and push this down and you get a cube. This is the easy part. In the next hard part, there's one step which is a little hard, and my first try I didn't get it, so let's go with the hard part. So now this is the hard part. I'm going to start from this side. Before it's like this, so I'll keep it like this. I'm going to start with this side. So now turn this 90 degrees, 180 degrees, make it flat. From here, turn it like this. Then turn this 90 degrees, this part. And now you get a horseshoe, a one-layered horseshoe. Now keep this like this and turn this part. So now you have it like this. Now turn this 180 degrees and turn this also, because when we turn, we have to turn it like this next. So turn it like this and you get a form like this, a 3x3 cube one side and a horseshoe from this side. Then next, then after that, place this here. You get it like this. Before it's like this, now turn. Before it's like this, now turn this and lay it on the horseshoe, and you get a second layer of the horseshoe. Now turn this, it'll be like this, and turn it 180 degrees. Now this is a hard part. You have to open like this. No, first let's do this. You have to keep this up. This piece, one piece, you have to keep it up and turn this inside. And now you have a hole in the center with one side here. Now turn this 180 degrees and now open this. This is a little hard. You have to do it with precaution and execution. You have to execute it perfectly. Now after you open it and put it inside, the cube will form like this, and then you have to turn it like this and turn it like this. So there's two ways of how to make a snake cube, finish it, and let's see how fast I finish. So I have a stopwatch here, and I'm gonna lay it flat. Oh, I've laid it flat, and now I'm going to start. I'm doing it the easy way because it's more faster to complete. I have finished it in about like 13 seconds.